Hello everyone, welcome to our Maths Academy. Today we will begin with the practice set 1.1. Before starting practice set, I hope you have seen the previous video of similarity which will learn their properties. Yet if you have not seen, please click on the above cards beside the share icon. So let's start to learn.
Hello students, in previous lecture we learned this property means this one. Remember this. So with the help of this we solve the practice set 1.1. So let's start. So students, look at the first question of practice set 1.1 is base of the triangle is 9 and height 5. Base of the another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of these triangles, right? So we have two triangles. In first triangle, base is 9. So this one. This is the first triangle. The base is 9. Clear? And the height is 5. This is the height. So just measurement. Write down the measurement. Base of the another triangle, this one. So what is the base of this triangle is 10. Clear? And the height is 6. So after that what they said, find the ratio of these triangles. So we have to find out their ratio. So first students, write down the name of triangle. Clear? So in triangle PQR, so first write down here base is what? Is QR. So write down here base equals to QR equals to. So what is base is 9. So write down here 9. Clear? Now what is height? Height is this. So give the name P and S. We can give the S, right? So here PS. Now what is that measurement? Is a 5. Clear? So students, so this is a base and height. Now come to the second triangle. In triangle ABC, write down the base. Base equals to BC equals to how much? 10. Now height. What is the height is this one? AD. We can write down AD. So this is AD equals to 6. Clear students? So we have in first triangle base height, in second triangle also base and height. For give the here B1 and this is H1. Clear? This is B2, this is H2 because this is a first triangle, that's why given B1 H1. In second triangle we give B2 and H2. Clear students? Now after that what they said, ratio of these triangles. So we have these two triangles, we find out the area of the ratio triangle. So write down here area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC. Clear students? Now what is the area of triangle formula? Half into base into height. Again same. This is also half into base into height. So write down here half into base into height upon, this is first triangle. Now come to the area of a second triangle, again half into base into height. Clear students? After that we just cancel with this half and this half, right? So write down area of a triangle PQR upon area of a triangle ABC. Clear students? Now what we get? Base into height upon base into height. So this is first triangle, we given us H1 and B1. So B1, H1, B2, H2. Clear in this way? So we have to write down like that. After just substitute their values. So what is B1 is QR. Right here QR. What is H1? PS. Clear? Upon other. B2 is BC. H2. H2 is AD. Clear students? After. Now just write down their measurement. Clear? So QR is 9. PS is 5 upon BC is 10. Multiply AD is 6. Clear student? Now just cancel that. So with the help of cancellation we do the, this is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Clear? 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Clear? So write down there 3 ones are 3, and 4, 2 2s are 4. So we get 3 upon 4. So this is the area of a triangle PQR upon area of a triangle ABC. So this is the ratio. Therefore, area of a triangle PQR upon area of a triangle ABC. So write down here, therefore, ratio of areas of triangle PQR and triangle ABC is 3:4. 3:4. This is the ratio form. Clear, students? So, in this way, we solve the question number 1 of practice set 1.1. Write down, students, this answer. So, friends, let's start with the second example of practice set 1.1 is in figure 1.13 means this one. So BC is perpendicular to AB. So this is BC is perpendicular to this AB. After that, this AD is perpendicular to AB. Now we have a BC is 4. Okay, so write down here 4. Now then AD is equals to 8. So students, in previous example, we have a true triangles, but they are separate with each other. But in second example, we have these two triangles, but they are connected. Okay, so, but what is the difference of this and that triangle is like A and B. AB is common in both triangle, right? So AB is a base of first triangle. Again, AB is a base of second triangle. So students, let's start with the solution. Clear? So first, students, write down what they given us and what we find out. Means we have to find out their ratio that we solved in previous example. Okay, so students, so write down in triangle first one ABC, right? In ABC we have a BC is equals to 4. Okay, so BC equals to 4. Clear? So BC is what? Height. So this is height. Clear? And in second triangle is what? ADB. ADB. So this is an height. AD is equals to 8. So this is also height. So give the first is one H1 and second one H2. Clear? And next one, we have a basis common. So we have to write down in triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Base is same or common. You can write down base is common. Clear? So therefore, we have this AB. AB equals to B1 equals to B2. Clear? These are same. So that's why we write down AB equals to B1 for ABC, B2 for ADB. Clear? Now we find out their ratio. Clear, students? So write down, therefore, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADB. Clear? Now what is the area of triangles formula? The formula of area of a triangle is half into base into height upon, again, area of a triangle is what? Half into base into height. Clear? Now this half get cancelled. For area of a triangle ABC, this is B1 and H1. This is B2, this is H2. Clear? That we solved in our first example also. Now students, in this example we have basis common, means B1 equals to B2. So what is B1 is AB. Clear? What is B2 is also AB. Clear? Now multiply. H1 is what? BC. Clear? H2 is what? AD. Clear, students? Now AB and AB get cancelled. Now, so we get only. So which is a property of this that we learn in our previous lecture. The properties that we learn. So students, look at the page number 5 that we learn. So students, look at this property. Area of a triangle with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights that we learned in our previous lecture. Clear? So this property we have to write down in bracket for their reason. So here we can write down the reason of that. So students, write down here reason is area of triangles with equal bases, right? That we write down here. Same base or equal. We can write down common also, same also or equal also, right? So equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Clear, students? So this is the corresponding height. Okay, so BC upon AD, we get this one, BC upon AD. Clear? So write down the measurement of heights. So BC is what? 4 and AD is what? H. So just cancel 1 and 2. So we get 1 upon 2. So this is the ratio of a triangle ABC and triangle AB. Therefore ratio of areas of a triangle ABC and triangle ADB is 1:2. Clear? So in this way we solve the question number 2 also. Last example of this practice set is example number 5. So we have this figure. In figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC. This PQ perpendicular to BC, and next one AD is perpendicular to BC. So then find following. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 sub question. With the help of this figure we find out their ratio. So first look at the first one. So what is that? Area of a triangle PQB, this one, PQB upon area of a triangle PBC, this one, PBC. Okay, so we have to find out PQB and PBC. So students, look at this figure carefully. So in this figure we have a height is common in both triangle. Clear? In PQB, this height, again PBC we have a height common. Okay, when we have a height common, then their corresponding bases are equal. Okay, so start the solution here. First write down area of a triangle, this one, PQB. Write down here PQB upon area of a triangle PBC. Written? This is the question. So after that we have to write down their bases and their height. With the help of that we just find out their ratio. So in triangle PQB and triangle PBC, so height is what? Height is a common. So write down here height. So what is the height of this? PQ. Okay, PQ. So PQ is equals to what? H1 equals to H2. Height are same, right? Height are same. So that's why we can write down H1 equals to H2. This is PQ. Clear, students, that we solving example number 2. Clear? Now next one, write down their proportion. So area of a triangle PQB upon area of a triangle PBC. Written? So what is the formula of area of a triangle? Half into base into height. Okay, half into B1 into H1 upon half into B2 into H2. Clear? So this half get cancelled. So what we get? B1 multiply H1 upon B2 multiply H2. Clear, students? Now next one. Now what is the base of the first triangle? So PQB, there is a PQB. So this is base. This is PQ. So write down here BQ multiply H1. H1 is what? PQ. PQ means this is the height of this triangle. So write down here PQ upon. After that, so B2, second triangle. B2 is what? QC. Clear? So write down here QC BQ. After that B2 and H2. H2 is what? Same as it is. So write down here PQ as it is. And what is the base of this one? B and C. Clear? So write down here BC. So this PQ get cancelled. We'll get PQ upon BC. Clear? So this cancel. So we get area of a triangle PQB upon area of a triangle PBC equals to BQ upon BC. So what is the reason that we learned in our previous lecture? So write down the reason of that here. Clear? That we write it down here. Look at the on page number 5. When a height is equal, this one. Area of a triangle with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Clear? We'll get the corresponding bases. So students, write down here reason. Okay, so what is the reason? Area of a triangle with equal height. Right? With equal height. That's why we just cancel that, right? With equal height are proportional to their corresponding bases. Clear, students? This one you have to write down for a reason. So what we get final answer? Therefore, area of a triangle PQB upon area of a triangle PBC equals to BQ upon BC. So this is the final answer of first question. Now go to the second one. Now write down the second one. So what is the second one? Area of a triangle PBC. First write down area of a triangle PBC upon area of a triangle ABC. Area of a triangle ABC. So look at here. This is PBC. This one PBC and next one ABC. So what you observe on this figure? So we have a BC is the same base, common base of both triangle. Clear? So the first triangle is PBC and the second triangle ABC. So we have a BC is a same base. So again we have to write down in triangle PBC and triangle ABC bases. What is the basis of that? BC. Bases BC equals to B1 equals to B2 are same. Clear? After that write down their ratio. Area of a triangle PBC upon area of a triangle PABC. So after that write down the formula of area of a triangle. Half into base into height means B1 H1. Half into B2 H2. Half cancel equals to B1 multiply H1 B2 multiply H2. Clear, students? After that what we write? First their bases are same. So what is bases? BC multiply. Now what is the height of this triangle? Look at here. So we have this triangle. Which one? PBC. So height is what? BPQ. So write down here PQ. Clear? Upon. So B2 is what? BC. Write down as it is. Multiply H2 for second triangle ABC. So in ABC we have a height is what we have. What have a height is what? AD. So we have a AD is a height. So write down AD. Clear, students? Now this BC get cancelled. And what is remaining? This is area of a triangle PBC upon area of a triangle ABC equals to PQ upon AD, right? So this base will, when we have a base is equal, then we'll get corresponding their heights. So write down the reason. So what is the reason? So area of a triangle with equal base, okay, with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding height. Clear? This is the height. So write down. So students, you have to write down. This is must. Okay? With the help of this, you will get out of marks. Otherwise, you will not get. So reason is very important. So you should write in your notebook. Clear? So therefore, area of a triangle PBC upon area of a triangle ABC equals to their heights PQ upon AD. Clear, students? So this is the final answer. So in this way we solve the two sub questions of question number 5, 1 and 2. Just copy down, students. Now question number 3 is area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADC. So just observe the figure. ABC, ABC, and next one is ADC. ADC. Okay, ABC and ADC. So what is the common of that is height. Right? Height is a common. Look at here. ABC and ADC. So this AD is common with this both triangles. So ABC height is AD. Again ADC height is AD. Clear? So AD is a common in this triangle. So first, students, write down in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Height is what? AD. So we have H1 equals to H2 are same. Clear? Now what is the base of this? ABC have a base BC, ADC have a base DC. Clear? So next we have to write down area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADC. So write down the formula of a triangle, area of a triangle, B1 into H1 upon half into B2 into H2. Clear? Half cancel. That we same. B1. So B1 is what? Base of ABC. What is the first triangle ABC? BC. So write down here BC. Multiply. H1 is AD. So write down here AD upon B2 of second triangle means ADC. This is DC. So write down here DC. Multiply AD, write down as it is because the heights are same. After that, just cancel with AD and AD. So what we get? Area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADC equals to BC upon DC. So when we have a height is equal, then they are proportional to their corresponding bases. Clear? So students, write down the here reason. Clear? You have to write down here. So therefore we will get a final answer, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADC equals to BC upon DC. So this is the final answer of question number 3. Now start with the fourth one. So start with the fourth one is area of ADC. This one ADC, and the next triangle is what? PQC. Okay, we have a this triangle. So first one is this triangle and the next one is this triangle. So there is a no common of height also and no common of base also. So we have a separate of that. So students, write down that in area of a triangle ADC and a triangle PQC. Okay, so height is what? Height. So in area of a triangle height, first students, write down this one, height for H1. So ADC, this is a first one, H1. So base is what? Height is what? AD. So write down here AD. Okay. So this is H1. So base. Base means what? B1. So what is a B1 is DC. So write down here DC. This is for first triangle. Okay. Now in second triangle, so mention here students. Okay. In triangle PQC. This is PQC. Write down here. PQC. So height is what? Height. So in H2, height is this PQ. So write down here PQ. And the base is what? B2. Base is what? Q and C. Q and C. Clear? So now substitute all values in ratio form. So students, write down all this in ratio form. So write down their areas. Area of a triangle ADC, this is first triangle. Now the area of a second triangle PQC equals to. So write down half into B1 into H1, half into B2 into H2, half get cancelled. Now what is B1 is DC, write down here DC, multiply H1 is AD upon B2 is QC, multiply H2 is PQ. Clear? So therefore we'll get this one. Therefore area of a triangle ADC upon area of a triangle PQC, we get DC into AD upon QC into PQ. So write down the reason of that we learned in our previous lecture, that is in your page number 5, that is the ratio of area of two triangles is equal, right? Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their product. Product means what? Their multiplication. Product of their base and
Students,
their corresponding heights, right? Because there is no any base and height are common, then we'll get corresponding their products of their bases and their heights. Clear, students? So in this way we solve the 4 sub questions of question number 5.